Welcome to this Power BI tutorial in Hindi. If data were a puzzle, Power BI is the magic piece that makes everything fit. We'll explore why it's such a powerful tool, its benefits, and give you a clear roadmap of what's ahead. Get ready to unlock the potential of your data and, who knows, maybe even impress your boss. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott. And for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Business intelligence sounds fancy, but it's basically turning raw data into smart decisions. A Power BI makes that happen. We'll look at its components and how different industries use it. By the end, you'll be speaking fluent data, no translator needed. Before we analyze data like pros, we need to install Power BI Desktop. Don't worry, it's easier than convincing yourself to go to the gym. We'll go through the steps, check system requirements, and get everything ready so you're all set to dive into data. The Power BI interface might look overwhelming at first, but trust me, once you know where everything is, you'll feel like a data wizard. We'll tour the menus, explore the ribbon, and learn how to customize the workspace to suit your needs. Data is the heart of Power BI, and importing it correctly is crucial. Think of it like grocery shopping. You need the right ingredients for a great meal. We'll explore data sources, how to connect and load data, and some best practices to avoid data disasters. Raw data is messy. Think of it like an unsorted laundry pile. A Power Query helps clean and organize it so we can actually use it. We'll go through transformations and merging techniques so you can make your data look crisp and professional. Relationships aren't just tricky in real life, they can be complex in Power BI too. But don't worry, we'll simplify it for you. We'll cover how tables connect, key concepts, and ways to optimize your data model for smooth performance. A good visualization tells a story without putting people to sleep. We'll explore different charts and graphs, formatting tricks, and how to make your visuals pop. Soon, you'll be creating dashboards that people actually enjoy looking at. Filters and slicers make dashboards interactive, like a choose-your-own-adventure book. They help refine insights and give users control over the data. We'll go through different types and how to apply them for maximum impact. DAX is like the secret sauce of Power BI. It makes your data come alive. First, we need to get comfortable with its formulas. Functions like SUM and average are the bread and butter, but IF is where the magic happens. Calculated columns. They can be handy, but measures are the real MVPs. And let's not forget performance. Bad DAX is like slow Wi-Fi, frustrating and unnecessary. Dashboards should be engaging, not overwhelming. Think of slicers and filters as your remote control. They let users interact effortlessly. Drill Through takes it a step further, allowing users to dive into details. Tooltips. They're like pop-up hints that make insights clearer. And if a dashboard isn't user-friendly, it's like a confusing maze. Nobody enjoys getting lost. Column charts are the superheroes of data visualization. They make comparisons easy. When you have different categories, they shine. Stacked columns, great for trends. Color coding helps the audience focus, and simplicity is key. Cluttered charts are like messy desks, distracting and hard to work with. Pie charts are like pizza slices. They help you see how everything is divided. But too many categories. That's like cutting a pizza into 20 slices, confusing. Labels should be clear so viewers don't feel lost. And colors. They make the chart visually tasty. Maps make geography fun. Whether it's tracking sales or population data, they add value. Choosing the right type matters. Don't use a world map for city-level details. Accuracy is everything, or your data may send someone to the wrong continent. Keep markers simple. Too many points will make it look like a game of pin the data. Data isn't just numbers, it tells stories. Predictive analytics is like a crystal ball for business. Machine learning, that's where things get exciting. Clustering finds patterns, and AI helps make better decisions. With these techniques, you're not just analyzing data, you're unlocking possibilities. What's the point of a great report if no one sees it? Exporting makes reports accessible, while cloud sharing ensures they reach the right people. Security, that's a must. Imagine giving everyone access to your private diary. Automating deliveries means reports arrive on time, no more last-minute scrambles. Best practices make life easier. Clean data models prevent chaos. Naming conventions, they save hours of searching. Templates, they speed up work. A logical workflow keeps everything smooth. Think of it like cooking with a recipe instead of throwing ingredients into a pan. Mistakes happen, but let's avoid them. Too many visuals can turn reports into a mess. Ignoring relationships leads to disconnected insights. Complex formulas, sometimes they're just overcomplicating simple tasks. And slow reports, that's like waiting for a web page to load forever. Alright folks, we've explored some valuable insights today. Now let's talk about what's next. First, everything we've discussed is pointless unless we take action. So commit to the next steps. Second, teamwork makes the dream work. Keep collaborating and refining strategies. Third, improvement is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, adapting, and pushing forwards. And finally, stay flexible because change is the only constant. Let's make things happen. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.